Hey, what's going on YouTube guys? This is your boy C Will. Welcome back to another video. We are reviewing the AKG headphones that came with the Galaxy Note 9, and you're gonna watch a real quick unboxing video and then we'll get into the review. Let's go. Guess what I have in the box here. Now, of course, not too long ago, we went and picked up this bad boy. Of course, the Galaxy Note 9. Absolutely love it. It is a fingerprint magnet. Well, let's sit that to the side real quick. But one of the things that came along with being able to pre-order was this. You know, they gave two options. These are the AKG headphones that Samsung was giving away free with the pre-order. And you have the option of getting either the actual headphones itself or getting the V-Bucks from Fortnite. And of course, you know, I love Fortnite, I play it. But I wanted these actual headphones. These was actually retailing for like $2.99, I believe. And let's just take a look at it here. It does say that they are wireless. So that's going to be a big thing. The noise cancellation is the N60 wireless model. And I am definitely looking forward to it. So let's just go ahead and just open this up here. And got a little good stuff in the mail. There we go. Let's pull this out the box here. Oh, look at that. How about that? Can you say premium? Okay, so what do we have in the box here? Looks like this is definitely an adapter. The booklets. Okay, this is what I've been waiting on. Oh, okay, just drop something here. How about that? Look at this. They have definitely packaged very well. Look how they fit down. These are soft. Just these are soft, and this is definitely some premium quality. Let's see here. What else do we have? It's in the bag. Oh, okay, there we go. All right, so here's the actual audio cable, and we have the USB cable. So again, hey guys, I definitely, you know, we're gonna test these out through wire and through wireless, and definitely will let you know how it stacks up with this bad boy right here. And I'll get back with you. We have the N60 wireless headphones here. And of course these, if you watch my unboxing video of the Galaxy Note 9, and some of my other videos, you can kind of go back and take a look at it. But I did say that these headphones came free from Samsung, and they were a part of the pre-order of my Galaxy Note 9. And it's pretty cool. It's kind of like a traveling pouch. In the packaging, you have a few items, and this right here is your actual airplane adapter, USB charging cable, and this is your audio cable. It comes with the mic, 3.5 millimeter, your standard audio cable. And the headphones here, man, when I tell you, these have great noise cancellation. You have your jack right here for the actual audio cable. You have the charging port, the USB charging port right here. You also have an indicator light right here to let you know when it's charging. And on the other side right here, you have the actual switch for being able to skip tracks. And then you have your Bluetooth power switch that's right here as well. Now, as you can see, these are, you can't tell in the video, but they are very soft. After using these extensively on my ears throughout the day, they are very comfortable. You don't have to worry about taking them off, you know, because they're hurting the ear and things of that nature. And I can definitely say these will be great for traveling on an airplane. You know, you don't have to worry about any type of outside noise or interference. They have great noise cancellation, and it's amazing because when you put them on your ears, they do real good with just blocking out the noise. But once you hit the switch, it drowns out the rest of the noise. And these actually have been very, very, very good. Whether you're in a work environment, or if you're traveling, or if you're jogging, or whatever the case may be. You can also use these headphones with the actual audio cable without their, having to actually turn them on. They call that passive mode. And you use these with the audio cable, and let's say the battery is dead. You don't have the active noise cancellation, but they actually still work as just regular headphones. It's called passive mode. But once you turn the actual switch on and they're charged up, that activates the actual the active noise cancellation. It has about 15 hours worth of battery life. You have 30 hours worth of playback. All right, so as you can see here, this is the actual power switch, and this is my Note 9, and I just kind of see. All right, so here's my Note 9. I'll just swipe down here from the top. So my Bluetooth is already on, and right now it's actually connected to my AirPods. But if we go into the Bluetooth settings, and once I hit the switch here, all right, so you see it turns blue. Then now, you see how now on the Note 9, one of the things I love about this phone is that you could connect multiple Bluetooth devices at the same time. So not only are my AirPods are connected, but as you can see, the AKG N60 NC wireless headphones are connected as well. They connect fast. They have great signal strength, reliability. All this stuff is good. All right, so right now I do not have these connected to my iPhone, but let's just say that you want to connect these to your iPhone and you want to pair it for the first time. So what you do, you can actually slide this down and you can hold it. And that's what put this into the actual pairing mode. And you can see that it's blinking right here. All right, got Bluetooth mode on, and you see it's already popping up for the AKG. It's blinking. You pop it up for the AKG N60 wireless, and then boom, now it's connected, and then the indicator now has a solid blue light. So those are connected now. But since those are connected, if I wanted to actually go back to my Note 9, if I want to, I can still go back and click on it here. And boom, now it's connected. Now back on my iPhone, it's also connected. So it's connected to both the Note 9 and the iPhone at the same time. So that's pretty cool. All right, guys. So like I said, the headphones, they work great. Again, I don't think I would recommend that you spend, they retail right now on Samsung's website for $299. Again, I think you could be able to get some better headphones for $299. I do recommend these if you could be able to find them, if you could find them for a deal that's less than $299. I definitely recommend picking these up and definitely try them out. All right, guys, thank you for watching that video all the way through. Definitely hit me up on social media, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to hit like, don't forget to hit the bell so you can definitely catch up on the next videos. Check out my unboxing videos. It should be somewhere on the screen here. But check out the unboxing videos of the Galaxy Note 9. I got some new videos coming. Talk to you soon.